Alright, this week we're going to rewire or wire up a lamp plug. So if you're changing out a lamp situation or rewiring it, or if you just need to make a work light, it's a good video to watch. What you'll need your lamp socket, lamp bulb, which you can get these at the dollar store. The plug-ins y'all seen me in other videos get from the dollar store. Screwdriver and wire cutters, or trusty needle nose. I just couldn't find my needle nose this week. So let's get everything opened up and we'll get to it. Now this is a 3-stage lamp plug, a 3-stage bulb. Something you'll need to know how to do when doing a lamp though is tie an underwriter's knot, which will be this week's little bonus at the end, which I may cut in a little while the video so I can film that and put it at the end. Take your cord. I don't need that in, but I want to save it for something later. We'll just cut that off. And you're going to need to come about 3 or 4 inches. That'll be for the knot later on. Yes, I do realize there's wire strippers for scheduling. It's just force of habit to use my needle nose. Done it for so long. That's just still the way I do it. Alright, before I go any further, I'm going to film the underwriter's knot so that I can put it at the end. It'll be a close-up, so you'll know exactly how to tie an underwriter's knot. So with that, let me cut this for a second. Alright, now that we got that filmed, you'll see it at the end of the video. Let's take these, and what you'll do when you're doing a lamp is you'll run these from the base, the bottom of the lamp, all the way up through it, and into this bottom piece. Oh, get in there. And then there's a screw threaded on the inside. You'll just screw that down into the lamp. Now you're going to push this out. Now something to know about these little cords is when you feel them on the sides. See if we can see that right there. There's a ridge on one side and smooth on the other. Your smooth side is the equivalency of your black wire or your hot wire. And the rigid side is like your white or neutral. So remember, the brass screw, almost electrical, your black wire is going to go to it. So what we're going to do, loosen this up a little bit. This is the brassy looking wire. And you're going to take the black or hot wire, which will be the smooth sided one. Make sure I can feel it right. Need to strip a little bit more off that. What you want to do is make a horseshoe with these. Kind of like a hook. And what you're going to do is wire that right there. And get it. Loosen that up. Fit it it up in there and around so that it hooks. Tuck it down in there nice and good. There you go, buddy. You're just going to tighten your screw back down. Oh, we forgot something. We forgot our underwriter's not on this one. There we go. Gotta find my wires for a minute there. Alright, let's make it a little hook. Let's get you down in there, buddy. We're going to tighten that down. It does. Well, remember when you're doing wiring, your wire to double check it. A little bit extra on this one. Make my little hook. Loosen our screw. Tighten it down. I'll slide this back on. That's a lot of excess in this one. Yeah, we're going to cut that down. There's way too much excess. I know I'm doing it for a how-to video, but it's going to drive me up the wall. Technically, all you got to do is just loosen the knot up and drive it up some more, but I'm a little OCD about things like this. The reason you always do the 3 or 4 inches to give you plenty of room to make your knot and have enough wire to work with. Is the reason you want to do that much. But if you're doing a lamp, you'll actually slide the excess down in it and nobody will ever know. Black smooth side with black, hot, whatever you're used to calling it. You're going to go to the brass fitting. Yeah, that's it. Oh, and a little battery. Hurry this one up. Now we're going to slide this back on. Now this piece is just going to push down inside of there. There you are. Look, little bugger. Screw our light bulb in. Good for a test run. There we go. And that's how you wire up a lamp plug for lamps or for work light or whatever. And of course, y'all know mine's going to end up having a sign-off switch in it. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope it helped somebody. Thank you and have a good week. Alright, to do an underwriter's nut, what you're going to do is take one wire, your left wire, you're going to fold it behind the others. Then you're going to take the other wire, come down and under, then in front and through. Then you're just going to pull it tight. See if we can get this closer. Down and behind. Then under, in front, and through. Then you're just going to pull tight. And what that just does is, when you have it in a lamp, and you're pulling the wire, so it snags the wire, it just keeps it from pulling the wire out. So, that's our bonus for this week. Now y'all know how to tie an underwriter's knot in a lamp. Thank you.